is up, YouTube? So, this is a bit, well, actually first, excuse the dirtiness. You guys will see that in the next video as to why I'm all dirty. And if you know the scenery, then you'll know that too. Change it up a little bit. It's a truck mod video today. Doing a few mods on the rig. So we got this. Trent, wanna bring the camera on over here? This is a product from Mountainnhatchusa. It is basically like a cutting board, and then you can hold like cups or whatever you want on here. It's a big thing for like off-road guys and stuff like that. But this is our tow rig, so we use this a lot. We autocross a lot, which means that during portions of the day we kind of sit around and don't do anything. We kind of hang around the trailer, hang around the truck. So this is perfect for that because, like I said, you can put your cups right there, or your drinks or whatever. And then this thing's also food safe, so if you want to prepare yourself a nice filet mignon on here, which I might do when I go up to the mountains or something sometime, you can do that too. Pop up your little grill, cut up your steak on here or whatever you need to do, and that's cool too. So yeah, we're gonna start installing this thing right now, but like I said, it's a product from Mountainnhatchusa. I don't exactly know like what it's called, but yeah, it just goes in here and replaces this factory little liner thing here. But this also has it, but it has these ribs on here, and it's not food safe. And this is a hard ABS plastic that's been milled out. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it and start screwing all these bolts out of here. Wow, never seen the other side of this thing. So this product is so my stepdad, he has one on his Tacoma. So as far as I know, it's for mini trucks or like little trucks like the Canyon or the Colorado, the Tacoma. I'm not sure if they have one for like the Maverick or the Ranger yet. But yeah, I'll leave a link for Mountainnhatchusa down in the description if you guys are interested in one of these. But a pretty cool product, I think. Definitely looks stylish, I think. And you know, you can do one of these. Hold on, got you. So you know how we are here on Ikarus Motorsports. Love our liquid death. So would you look at that? Perfect. So this is some of the stuff that came in the box. Of course, it really just comes with the hardware. But I forgot to grab a Phillips head for this. But it comes with extended bolts because this thing, of course, is, if you want to check down here, it's of course like way thicker than this stock one. You can see how flimsy and worthless this thing is. But yeah, and I mean, of course, like this one has the cup holders like this one does, but it's ribbed, and like you can't cook a steak on it, man. Like you can't put a steak on this bad John and throw up your little pop-up grill and cut this thing like a cutting board. So yeah, and it kind of looks like a Jeep grill, which not about that life either. So yeah, but this thing's sick. So I got this as a gift for graduating. Like I said, I told you guys at the first transmission video, still in college. Graduated, so I got this as a gift, and I'm super stoked about it. Dude, these things are sharp. Both my fingers with them. So, did I mention that this product is also made in the USA? That's some American stuff right there. Oh yeah, this. Oh, if you guys haven't tried the Slaughterberry, it's probably one of the best ones. I should probably stop endorsing them since they haven't endorsed us, but we love them. You should see my passenger seats. 2 cases in there. But yeah, I mean, it comes with these extended hardware, like I said, because of it's flimsy or whatever. So kind of just send her on down in there. Tighten down. You'll be good to go. So like I said, I'm not an outdoors guy, but it's going to be perfect for the track. Honestly, like you can keep whatever you want here, nuts and bolts. If you're doing like a little project, you can use this as a workbench. Of course, clean it before you put your stake on there, or don't. Be a man. And you know, it's going to be great. Of course, on my trailer, I have the jack that kind of sits right here. We're going to end up moving that so I can utilize my Mountain Hatch tailgate cutting board thing. But yeah, like it's such a cool product. I think like whoever designed this is genius, and I think they're fairly cost efficient as well. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna have cans of Liquid Death stacked on this bad John. You hear Trent behind the camera.
Yep, we will.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna hang out around it at some autocross events and do whatever it is we're gonna do. And then it's perfect for you overlander guys or any of you guys that like just do off-road stuff or hang out in the truck and got a truck tent or pulling a camper or whatever. But like I said, this product I know for sure is for the mini trucks, like not half tons. What size is it? Do you know, Brandon? Do you know what the weight of these trucks are?
Small trucks.
Yeah, they're just, we'll call them
compact trucks.
Yeah, compact trucks, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. But Canyons, Colorados, Tacomas, all that stuff. So yeah, cool product. I wish I had some steak to throw it on here to do a little review. Might go get some Taco Bell and eat that off of here or something. But no, it's good. So I'm just gonna screw down all these bolts and then we'll be good to go. It's super quick install. If I wasn't talking, I'd be done already. So. I keep talking about steak. You can put a burger on this too. Like, you do whatever you want. I'm a steak guy, obviously.
You can put anything on. It's a tailgate.
Like beef. But yeah, dude, that's an install right there. Looks sick. Throw your drink on there. Throw your bolts in here. Like, throw the drill in there. Throw the sticker in there. But oh, this bit. Look at that. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, this is the Mountainnhatchusa tailgate cover. I think the product's awesome, honestly. So, and the install being like that quick is great. You don't have to worry about like drilling these out or anything. Like they do that for you, or you know, they CNC this thing, so just put it in a machine. Like you can see the machine work right here, and in the little cup holders that they have their blade in here that cuts out the plastic. So yeah. I'll throw in some clips on like what the one on the Tacoma looks like, but I think this is like a second gen one. So the one that I have the clips on for the Tacoma they're a little thinner than these. So I think that they revised this product and made it a bit thicker so that they're not going to break or whatever. These are susceptible to scratches, of course, or cuts from a knife, like they are plastic. So you're not going to get a cutting board and start cutting into that and you not get scratches on it. Like they're prone for that. It's an outdoor product, you know, it's going to get some damage on it, but it's food safe. It's got the pockets. It's got all the good stuff. So thanks for watching. I might see if I can find some stuff to throw on here and cook later on in some other videos or something like that. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Might be at the track testing this thing out, so you know, we'll see. No spoilers. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.